Mr. V.S. Sajikumar, art teacher, JNV Alapi, proved his mettle by doing outstanding effort in the field of art in education for the last 29 years. Some of his major achievements are highlighted to give a glimpse of his creative and innovative approaches in the field of art. Some of his achievements are highlighted here. He got National ICT Award in 2011, CBSE Art Integration Guideline Committee member for the year 2019. The Intel South Asia published 6 pages of article about him in the book, namely When Technology Transforms Teaching. Mentor in ICT Course Curriculum Development's CIET, participated in ICT Mela with an individual stall. Resource person for ICT Curriculum Development CIET, Art Education Master Trainee CIET. He participated in the National ICT Conference Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. He has also participated in the World Didact Education Summit organized by MHRD at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. He is also a professional artist associated with Kerala Lalithakala Academy and has also attended many state art camps organized by the state for the last 30 years. He has also created 20 huge-size sculptures in various JNVs with the help of students. He published 80 short video films and uploaded in the YouTube. It was viewed by more than 3 lakh viewers.
I am Hari Krishna Arya, Director Academics from Rajasthan. I know Sajikumar V.S. since 2010 very well. He is a good, innovative, talented and most creative art teacher. He has awarded with National ICT Award in 2011 by Honorable President of India with me. He has shown his expertise in several state and national level art exhibitions. He transforms his creativity and art talent to his students very effectively. He has vast experience of developing national ICT curricula and digital contents. He has participated in several ICT Mela. Recently, he met me at KUSET campus at Kochi. I wish his all the success in his life.
He has created more than 2,000 square feet traditional Indian murals in the walls of the campuses of various JNVs. His works are in the collection of Lalithakala Academy, Calcutta, National Museum Art Gallery, Port Blair, and many institutions in India. He is still connected with many students from various parts of the country.
I discovered my potential that I can be a good filmmaker or a cinematographer only through the art education which was given to me in this Vidyalaya.
I am very happy to share my experiences of almost 10 years in JNV Trivandrum with Mr. Sajikumar, who was the art teacher there. Out of the many works which he has done in the campus, I will just take 2 or 3 among that. The main thing is the campus beautification, where he has developed many sculptures with the students, and no outside help is taken for that. Along with that, many wall paintings were also drawn by the students under the able guidance of Mr. Sajikumar, which includes Pittora, Varli, Kalangari and those type of traditional Indian paintings. Another thing is developing a club called Tunnel, which inculcated a lot of value of nature preservation and environmental awareness for the students. And he was instrumental in developing vegetable and fruit gardens in the campus, which is with the naturally available things, and no other pesticides and other things are used. It was totally organic. And there was another countryside taste club, where the students learned how to prepare food using the traditional method. It was really wonderful. And he prepared two science. He developed science and mathematics park in the campus, which could be used to make the students understand the concepts when they are on the field.
One period once in a week and we had to do nothing. We were just sitting idle in the class. But hereafter I have learned how to paint, how to draw, and how to even do in work in wood using different weapons which I haven't even touched in these years. I have learned how to use hammer, pulley and all that, and now I have created many of these designs and now I'm going to start with another one. There is a huge comparison, and I think the art in Navodaya will help students get more into the art field, which is nowadays less.
What are the other things you are doing in the schools?
Then in school we paint on our walls. When somebody visits us, they ask who did this painting. Is the art teacher? And our art sir, Sajikumar sir, is really proud to say that most of these works are done with himself, with other children who paint and draw the way he wants, in a perfect way, with perfect shading. It's compulsory because a person is not careful the way he studies. He has to be active in other parts, and one such part is art. If art is not compulsory, then what should be made compulsory? Art is the most needed part in a world's world and it should be made compulsory. And I enjoy art because when we are stressed after so much studies, the only relief I get is by...
What is
my daughter was a student of Saji sir at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Tiruvandhuram. Many occasions, whenever I visited the school, I happened to see the students are obedient to him, but so free to him to ask anything they need. The students were free to enter into his room, and the brushes, microphones, videos, speakers, audio system, everything was free to operate whenever they are free. So that freedom, as a student, that freedom, it definitely helped them to mold themselves. There is no need of any compulsion for using brushes or audio system. They themselves sing the songs, they themselves edit the song, they themselves record the songs, they themselves use colors and brushes. They were united, they are together. They had done so many paintings in the walls of the school walls, and also besides the roads, by making some sculptures. So according to me, it is a wonderful experience for my daughter during that period, and still I am hearing the words of Saji sir many times, the name repeating by my daughter whenever she is remembering the school days. So a real teacher is actually developing and creating the students by connecting the dots of different knowledge points. That actually I am a witness for seeing all these things during the periods of Satisar at the Devakar Navodaya Vidyalaya, and I happen to see the same when he is transferred to Devakar Navodaya Alappuzha also. So this is a way how a teacher should perform. That is my perspective.
To the society and students. For art integrated education, he has created biology park, maths park, chemistry park, and short films. Further, Nadan Ruji Club to promote traditional cooking and Tunnel to promote the organic agricultural farming have been initiated by him. He strongly believes that being an art teacher in this prestigious organization like Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti has helped him to work in a meaningful way for the sake of the organization, students, society, and professional art. The teaching learning process is going on, and it is a never ending process for him.